Good morning, guys. The camera's falling. I don't have a mount because I run and gun, and if I try to mount all my cameras, it would take me too long to do my daily work. But seriously, good morning, guys. I am running to work as always every freaking morning. I'm actually dropping off a couple boxes to Amazon. If you guys don't know, I actually have an Amazon store where I sell a lot of random stuff that I have overstock where I find and just throw them on Amazon. So if you guys want to check it out, just check it out. It's a couple of the side hustles and gigs that I do just to, you know, generate income and like get rid of overstock. I'm a freaking busybody, man. I just like doing stuff. One very important thing today, if Iris lets me, I'll take you guys along with us. Iris has a project she wants to work on, and I want to encourage her, so that way, that's why I'm going with her today. So if you guys want to come, assuming Iris is okay with it, I will take you with us and we'll show you what we're working on.
North side coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit! I'm surfing. Surfing. Game plan. Move all the stuff out. Hook up the trailer. Pull it out. Wash it over here. Dry it off. Mask it off of the stuff I just bought. And then stick it back in here nice and clean. Tomorrow, Torn will come over and we're gonna paint it all black.
Who's hotter? Got 28 shows next month, man. Just closed 2 deals in my email on my iPad. 30,000 feet in the air, I might add.
Hey Mike, we just got something from UPS.
Dun dun dun. Ooh.
Put a big secret logo over it.
Tuna Crate members. Y'all get this one right here. What do you think?
I like it. It feels really nice.
It's nice.
Got a clip. Put it on my backpack.
Slay the demon. I gotta touch the boys, huh? Bam! Just finished the edit. Rendering now. Getting ready to export.
Yeah, you got a single, your swag is so boring. I swear I feel like I'ma never stop touring. They claiming it's time to bring races together. They come to my shows, get wasted together, party together, smoke one together. I'm changing the world. Y'all hope for the better.
Trying to go pro. SC.
Is the track clear?
10-4 track's clear.
Okay, I'm coming in hot.
Hi. Hello.
Mommy.
I'm not mommy. You know that. Yeah, tortilla. Hi, Turbs. You're so big, Turbo. Leah. Hello. Hello. Quick lunch before I get back to work. Mike Thomas.
Go ahead.
I'm pulling to the back right now.
Alright, be right there.
So the plan right now is to get the trailer loaded up to the truck. Oh shit, sorry guys. Trailer loaded up to the truck and then pull the trailer out, wash the trailer, tape it off for tomorrow for Torn and I to try to paint it. So if you guys aren't going to AutoCon, oh sorry, I just burped. You guys are gonna freaking miss out. It's gonna be crazy amazing. I'm gonna be in the same booth with Randy, Sammy K, and Rob Dom. Huh. This is what I see right here. Good old America! America! Hell yeah! You guys are currently setting up all the stuff. Hey Rob, you watch Star Wars? Yeah. You're a Star Wars fan? I got some stuff so we can do skits. Disclaimer, I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I want to be because I watch Star Trek a lot. Yeah. So I love sci-fi period, right?
Character. Oh, Kylo.
in the...
What the heck? Oh shit, that metal. So, I don't know what I'm doing with it. We got it because we had a good deal. But we're gonna do some skits with this. Probably right there.
I wonder how it fits.
Oh, we haven't shown Mike the tag team crazy car riding yet.
Tag team, eh?
Oh no, it's
Sounds dirty, eh?
No,
What the fuck? It has a voice changer.
Exactly.
No way.
I'm gon' pop. If I don't, I'm back to the pots. I got rocks, big bells, big arms, stomach gun. Come out and play, let's have fun.
Oh damn! First class Uber. What's good, babies? Hi. This is my jammer here. By the time you guys are watching this video, I uploaded a video onto the BAKPK website, BAKPK.com. Check it out. It's a little demo video of this, really quick, but I like the website. Super clean, very modern, a bunch of pictures, so that way you guys are well informed of what you're getting. These Civics are nice, man. Really nice. Leah, you want to tell everyone what we're doing? All right, everyone. So we are actually looking at another space. Iris has a project that she wants to try out, so we want to support her. So we're looking at another commercial building to see. This is considered retail building to see if it's within budget. If it's within reason, then we'll get the space. If not, we'll keep shopping for it. Ooh. Oh. Holy crap, Iris, this place is huge. Alarm's gonna go off.
Where you going?
What the hell?
Yeah.
Breakthrough. Damn, I know. Oh, look at that. Wow. Holy freaking crap. This place is huge. Oh my goodness. What's in here? Closet. Let's see what's in here. Nice little flashlight. What?
So you see the 24 hour unit stickers.
Yeah.
In the hood is the McGuire's gym.
That's crazy.
This is the men's locker room.
Wow. Let's see what's over here. Do you know if all the plumbing works still?
If it doesn't, it will.
Oh, cool.
That's the unit should be delivered fully functional.
Is this a sauna?
No, it's
I was gonna say, like, this is a sauna.
I mean, put the water hot enough. You could.
Right?
There's another storage in
Yeah, there's storage here, restroom here.
There might be nails on the floor. Don't sue me. Just the women's locker room.
Women's locker room. Uh-oh.
What was this for?
Lockers. This is for a reason they took those.
It's like I'm exploring an abandoned 24-hour fitness.
Showers and video stalls there.
This is huge.
Done. Wow. What's over there? Probably just a corner.
All at the very end.
Wow.
Like this, that.
Location 2. Smaller, but this might be for a different business idea. Wow. Hey, are you here for an appointment?
We'll check your teeth, Aaliyah.
We actually do need to go to the dentist.
Yes, we do.
Location 3. This is the weirdest toilet ever. Look. You can walk around your toilet for no reason. Lighting.
Lighting crew.
Location 4. Wow.
Take one.
No. This looks a lot nicer too. They actually built this place
Can we
up.
open it?
So, take anything.
There you go. Oh wait. That's a big spot. I don't want to record this.
Yeah, so through volunteer work, they just put a base of just this wall.
Let me see your teeth.
You're grumpy. Okay, I'm closing the door. Oh my gosh. We just got out of a Filipino restaurant. And now I'm headed back to the office. Gotta get some work done, man. America. America. Okay, back to the office. Hello, everybody. What's up, everybody? Let's go shopping. Hey, you guys watch my Snap and my IG? So the guys are gonna watch my Snap and IG really quick. Boring.
Place is huge.
What?
I think I know what you're trying to do.
What? Huge. Look at my IG story real quick. We toured the spot, checked it out. They saw the spot on Snap and IG. Iris wants to start a project.
Okay.
So we're shopping for a project. I'm not gonna tell you guys what she's trying to do. It revolves around families, and another one revolves around something that I've been doing a lot more lately, especially with X and the friends. And then one part of it revolves around like a very creative corner, kind of like what we want to do over here, or maybe an entire long office.
I think I know.
You think you know, eh?
I think
He thinks you know, eh?
I know.
What's up, bro?
Hello.
Remember when I used to vlog?
Yeah.
And now I'm vlogging.
Now you're vlogging.
Weird,
back.
isn't it?
It's actually weird because you actually got me synced in.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah. Yay! Oh!
I just got it today.
Ah, look!
And I brought it right
You
out.
actually have the backpack.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, so accessory.
My
Bodies?
camera stuff and everything.
Can we see?
Yeah, but
Completely unexpected. He bought a backpack. Friday, he got it recently early this week. But I want to see how he packed it. What we're also gonna do is help him pack it to show him like the best ways. And there's no right way. It's just ways that you have depending on your gear. See, okay, so you got your backpack.
yeah, this is where the
This is like super unshameless plug. Because this backpack is nice, like hands down.
This is where I put my laptop. Because
Good, so-
I look at it from your old past vlog coordination.
Yes.
Last time I remember, this is where you put it.
This is where I put my charger too.
Okay.
And you have the nice zippers.
Yeah.
Because I have the demo one that doesn't have a nice one. This is nice. See how deep it opens up so you can actually get a big open? It's not like just down here.
And then I'm like, I think I need to bring this today
Yeah,
because I didn't make sure.
Okay, got it. Ta-da! Damn! Okay, so modular section. This is to keep, so that way you can actually modulate or have your lenses like certain ways, right? Extension cord?
Extension cord for some.
Measure cord.
Just in case.
Measure cord. What is this? Is this
Good bludgeon.
Yeah, I know, right?
I have a lot of power banks at home. I just carry a certain amount. 2, 3, for now. 4, 5. Oh, don't forget, I carry one in my pocket.
7.
I carry one in my pocket. Small one. For emergency.
You have so many batteries, you just don't realize it.
No, I don't. And I actually tried. I actually went No, I actually posted it on YouTube unplugged for 25 days.
It's round.
You're gonna just think wrong.
It's round.
Ooh.
They're beads.
It's for the photo. You remember you always see those people who take photos?
For you guys who want more pleasure, this is the bead for extra pleasure. Something you like. Okay, I'll be back. So in my backpack, I use this for the drone, but I move this up top. So that way that when I'm wearing it, the weight isn't crushing my drone. Okay. So I put it up here. My DSLR I put in the middle, and then I put other nothing that's super important on the bottom, so nothing gets crushed. So usually like these things sit on the bottom because they're strong.
Okay.
Yeah. So DSLR I put here, but there's no actual rule.
Yeah, pretty much it's your imagination.
Right. So in this case, you put this here. So this is how you configure your drawers.
Yeah.
I mean, it works.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah. So when you go home,
yeah,
you just dump this out.
Pretty much.
And then you'll have this entire section free. Here's his old backpack he abandoned for the actual legit backpack. Just saying. But it's a nice backpack.
Yeah.
It's just, it looks more media than anything. This one just looks more sleek. Look, very normal, fully stuffed backpack. Versus, this backpack's it's very nice, so no hate on this one at all. But this one is definitely more media than anything. But this is like very simple and very clean. And the size is a little bit shorter and less bulky. This is a little bit bulkier. And that's why there's nothing in it really, right?
No, there's nothing in
And
it.
it's pretty fat already.
Yeah.
And the material on this is nice, listen.
And this was full already.
Took 3 bags and put it into one?
One bag.
Oh man, I should put you on a commercial. Damn, look at, so this is their zipper. And this is, quality, baby. I can't explain how good that feels to have someone come in with a backpack and tell me that they love it. And I told them like, be honest, and they really freaking like it. And I was telling you guys on all social media that I love this backpack so much, and I'm like being as unbiased as I can. This backpack is so nice. It's so, it works so well that for any media guy, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This backpack is so awesome. So we're pulling the trailer now. I'm gonna pull it right back into the office, and then we're gonna spot treat it with any dirt, if there's any dirt, I mean. Tomorrow we can actually paint it. What color? You guys, you know what? Leave in the comments. What color do you think it is? What it's gonna be? Jesus. That took a while this time. Sorry guys, the camera ran out of battery, so I didn't take you guys to the office to show you guys us masking off the trailer. Thank you Thomas and Rob for doing that. So I'll show you guys tomorrow, I guess, when we actually paint it. And we made it home and actually took Aaliyah out to her play area again. What I can film is Iris's sinigang, or however you say it. Turbo. Turbo. Say turbo, babe. Bobo? She says Bobo. And she points at turbo. You're so good. Big boy. Boom! What's up, guys? I'm back in my office. As you can see, it's the next day. I am editing the video that you guys are watching now, so I'm gonna get it uploaded ASAP. I forgot to do an outro last night because I'm still kind of getting in the grind of filming again. But a couple cool things going on. We obviously toured a bigger place. Kind of a secret project we want to work on. I don't know if it's going to work, so I'm really scared about starting this. But Iris really wants to, so I'm going to try my best to figure out ways to get it done for her. But you guys, if you're local, you would love to come to this place. Trust me. The things that I've been doing a lot, I really like. Hence why I kind of want to open my own to really figure out if this is cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, good night, good morning, and wherever you guys are, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.